Hey guys, what's going on? Today I am going to talk about the Niceday Steppers for exercise. In this video, I will share my experience using this product and my overall thoughts. Starting with the unboxing. The first thing that comes in the box is the stepper itself, and it comes fully assembled. No need to put anything together. It's quite heavy, around 16 pounds, which is a good thing because it feels stable. Along with the stepper you'll find two straps, which are for arm exercises that I will explain later in the video, as well as instructions and a spare battery, although it already comes with one. To get started, you have to turn the orange knob on the bottom to the right to raise the pedals. That allows you to change the height of the steps. Lower stride lengths make it easier to step for longer periods, while higher strides burn more calories, and then you can adjust them to your liking. It also comes with a small screen that displays information such as your exercise time, the number of steps taken, and the estimated calories burned. This makes it easy to track your progress while working out. Now, let's talk about what you can do with this stepper. It's designed to help you work on your lower body, especially your buttocks and legs, by continuously stepping. The more you use it, the more it can help reduce fat and strengthen your muscles. One of the things I appreciate about this stepper is its stability. It's made of thick commercial steel, so you can trust it won't wobble, and it has a loading capacity of up to 300 pounds. The resistance in this stepper comes from a hydraulic system, and it's smooth and quiet. This dual hydraulic cylinder design not only ensures stability, but also increases resistance, which can help with fat burning. When you exercise with the Niceday Stepper, you can choose to exercise for as long as you want. I typically do 20 minutes and sometimes even 30. The resistance remains high for the first part of your workout, helping you burn fat quickly. This stepper comes with two high elastic resistance bands that you can use to work on your upper body while stepping. To connect them, you need to attach them to the two hooks that the stepper comes with, and then rotate the safety nut to secure them in place. This ensures that they won't come loose during your workout. There are some kind of exercises you can do with these elastic bands. You can use them to target various upper body muscles, such as your shoulders and biceps. For example, you can perform shoulder exercises by lifting the bands to shoulder height or bicep curls by pulling the bands towards your shoulders. Speaking from my experience, using this stepper can be challenging. It may seem easy, but it can be quite tiring and works your muscles well. I can go for 30 minutes straight, but it's not easy. Also, it's small, light enough, and durable. In summary, the Niceday Stepper for exercise is a compact and stable fitness equipment that can help you work on your body, strengthen your muscles, and burn fat. It's easy to use, and the adjustable step height and resistance bands makes it flexible in your workout routine.